I'm Julie Hebert. I work at Kent Building Supplies. I've been with the company for 30 years.
My name is Allie. I worked at Kent since January.
So when Allie first started working with me, we were both in purchasing. It actually felt a little bit awkward at first because it's different to work with your child than it is to interact at home. But overall it's been a positive experience. We get along well together at home and at work, so it's been very enjoyable.
Lots of carpooling and always someone to have lunch with. I did notice when I first started that she really had like a big role here, just as she did at home, so it was nice to see how appreciated she was here.
We do enjoy preparing meals together. We like to plan menus. We enjoy watching a few select TV shows together. We do enjoy outside. We do things. We have a camp and we enjoy going there in the summer, and it's lots of outside activities.
And our dog.
And our dog, yes. Can't forget our dog.
Usually we get together with all the family for Mother's Day, celebrate all the mothers together, kind of.
We have a family potluck.
Yeah, stuff like that.